Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Alvan, and on today's tutorial, I want to be showing you guys how to whiten the eyes in Photoshop. Please, if this is your first, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification and also share this content to others. That will be really mean a lot to me. So let's get into the video. This was before I whiten the image, and this is after I whiten the eyes. You can see that the veins are still remaining in the eyes. That is to show that this is a real way of whitening the eyes. So I want to off this layer. I want to make a duplicate layer of this by holding Ctrl J in the keyboard. Next, I want to make a hue and saturation layer by going to this slider here. Go to hue and saturation. I'll use my eyedropper tool to pick the color. Okay, I can see more of reds. Let me see the another color. Okay, more of yellow. So what we're going to do now, we want to go to our reds here. Take our reds down, desaturate it. Do the same thing for the yellows. You can see that there are yellows in it. Desaturate it. Then whiten, increase the lightness of the yellows to about 38. Do the same thing for the reds. It's about 38. Okay, let me see 35. Yeah, okay. So now what we are going to do is that we're going to use our keyboard and click on Ctrl I to invert the selection. Now we cannot paint in the effect in the eyes by using our brush. Make sure your opacity is 100, your flow is 100, and start painting it down. So instead of me doing this, since I've already done the effect before, I'll just copy the selection from the eye. Then all I have to do right now is to hold Alt and Delete key. Next, okay, I think this is okay. If the effect is too much, you can always reduce the opacity. Yeah, and that is how you whiten eyes in Photoshop. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also turn on the bell notification to be notified when I post content like this. So till other videos to come, bye bye.